In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage contact lists in Notion. By the end, you'll have a clean, flexible contact manager to track people, companies, and follow-ups in one place, without losing important details along the way. We'll start by initiating a new page inside Notion. Create a fresh page, give it a clear name like Contacts, and add an icon so it's easy to spot later. Type /table or /gallery to spin up a new database. Table is best for quick data entry, while gallery creates card-style profiles that are more visual. Choose either to begin. Open the Properties panel and customize the columns. Add text properties for the basics: name, position, company, and address, so each contact has a clear profile. Add an email property to store email addresses in the correct format and a phone property for phone numbers. Use a select or multi-select property for category or relationship status. For example, tag someone as a client, family, or lead, and allow multiple tags if they fit more than one. Add date properties for last contacted, next contact, or birthdays. Keep formatting consistent and decide which fields you want to treat as essential to avoid messy data later. You can drag columns to reorder them and keep the most important info visible. With the fields in place, customize your views. Switch to the table view when you are entering lots of data quickly. Flip to the gallery view if you prefer scanning visual cards with key details up front. Add a calendar view to see follow-up dates at a glance by mapping it to next contact or birthdays. Save helpful sorts and filters, like sorting by next contact or filtering to show only active leads, so each view stays tidy and focused. Naming each view clearly data entry, cards, or follow-ups helps you and your team know where to look. If you'd like a head start, use templates. Open the Templates menu inside Notion to browse free options or check the Notion Marketplace for pre-structured layouts. Import a template you like and align its properties with the ones you created so fields match. Don't hesitate to rename or remove any fields you don't need. The best template is the one that mirrors your workflow to surface what matters day to day. Add linked views. On your dashboard, create linked databases that point to your contacts and configure them to show upcoming follow-ups, important contacts, or recently added entries. Place them side by side to build a simple command center that brings the right slice of your database to the front without duplicating data. Thanks for watching.